Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing division on the Abacus. This is 7th episode. We are going to deal with zeros on the dividend. Okay, so let's start. Very first question, 200 divided by 2. So I'm going to use this one for my marked rod. 200 200 on the Abacus. Okay, so you don't need to watch here. Divisor and the number on the Abacus. Let's start. Take first 2 divided by 2, your answer is 1. Okay, 2 1 is 2. Finished. Nothing here, nothing. We finished. No more divided on the Abacus. Now your answer is on the Abacus. And do you know how to read your answer? Only 1? No, this 0 and this 0. How to read? Because I said this one is my marked dot, and your answer will always finish on the marked dot. Do not forget that. Okay, so you have to read 1 0 0. Your answer always till the marked dot. Okay, doesn't matter how long division you are doing, your answer will always finish on the marked dot. This is the rule. Next question. Okay, so 3 0 0. This is my marked rod. Okay, this is my marked rod. So first 3 divided by 6, do not possible. Yes, because divisor is bigger. So you have to take 2 digits. 3 0 30. 30 divided by 6, your answer is 5. 6 5s are 3 0 30, and no more dividend left here. And now you have your answer on the Abacus. 5 and 0. This is our marked dot. 5 0 is your answer. Okay, here. Got it? Your answer will always finish on the marked dot. This is the technique. So if you want to learn in detail, and if you want more exercises, please visit my full episode how to deal with 0. Okay, numbers divide by 1 digit, and there is 6 or 5 or 6 episodes. Inside there is this full explained video of this technique. Okay, so please visit my channel, visit my playlist. And one more thing, in this channel you can learn Abacus in 4 different languages: English, Nepali, Hindi, Japanese, and silent Abacus also available, and flash math, reading math, lots of content in these channels. So please visit there, and if you like it, like, share, subscribe, and comment me please. See you in next episode. Tada.